Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming zero voltage at the unit. This prevents shocks and resets electronics. Once done, remove the access panel and visually inspect wiring and connectors around the control board. Loose pins cause many errors. Use a multimeter to check 24V control output and blower motor continuity. If the display shows F0 or FO, write it down and read the unit model, because the next steps depend on its specific fault mapping, not guesswork. You now measure sensors and motors to narrow the cause. First, probe the evaporator temperature sensor. Resistance should match the spec for current ambient. Mismatched values indicate a bad sensor or open circuit. Next, run the fan briefly with direct 24V signal while measuring current. Excessive amps show mechanical binding or capacitor failure. Then, inspect the control board under good light. Bulging capacitors, cracked solder, or burn traces often produce F0 faults. Replace the faulty sensor or board as required. You finish by swapping the failed component with OEM or exact spec parts. Match connectors and secure grounds. Once replaced, restore power and initiate a full heat or cool cycle. Watch the fan start, compressor engage, and coil temperatures move toward set point. Verify the display clears the F0 code and that amps and sensor readings are within range. If the error returns, make sure to log voltages, resistances, and runtime, because that troubleshooting data is the single most useful thing to share with a professional technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.